5th standard DAV Senior Secondary Boys School, Mongapet. This is my Ganesh Chaturthi project, G Wagon. The components I have used are 4 wheels, 4 motors, 1 foam board and some thermocol and some paint and some batteries, wires and Bluetooth controller. Let me show you the working. Now I have opened the SP Robotics app. Now I am going to pair it. I am going to set it up. This goes back and forth and turns also. Now let's see the LEDs also. Now let us turn on the lights. Okay. Now let's see how this moves. Okay. Now as you can see, I have got into the SP Robotics Maker Lab app. Now I am going to connect it. Now I am going to select the Bluetooth controller. Now I am going to control it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video.